Are you looking to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way? If yes, then you're in the right place. You see, a comprehensive weight loss diet plan isn't just about shedding those extra pounds. It's about making healthy, lasting changes to your eating habits. It's about nourishing your body, fueling your day, and sparking that inner glow that comes with feeling good about the choices you make. In this video, we're going to break down a detailed weight loss diet plan that you can follow. Let's kickstart this with the diet plan for day 1. Your morning begins with a nutritious breakfast of scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes, served with whole grain toast, and a portion of fresh berries. Moving on to your mid-morning snack, enjoy some Greek yogurt sweetened with a touch of honey and a sprinkle of nuts. Lunchtime brings you a plate of grilled chicken breast or tofu, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette. You can have this with a side of quinoa or brown rice. Your afternoon snack is a crunchy and refreshing mix of carrot and celery sticks dipped in creamy hummus. As the day winds down, dinner is a delicious baked salmon or a plant-based protein source like tempeh, served with steamed broccoli and quinoa. And that's all for day 1. Remember, the key is to enjoy what you eat while keeping it healthy. Moving on to the diet plan for day 2. Start your day with a hearty breakfast of oatmeal, topped with sliced bananas and a dollop of almond butter for a dash of healthy fats. Then, for a mid-morning snack, reach for a small handful of almonds and a juicy apple to keep your energy levels up. Lunchtime brings a delicious twist with a turkey or avocado and veggie wrap, using a whole grain tortilla for added fiber. Don't forget a side salad of mixed greens for an extra serving of vegetables. When afternoon hunger strikes, opt for a snack of low-fat cottage cheese paired with some pineapple for a refreshing treat. And finally, for dinner, stir-fry some lean beef or tofu with mixed vegetables. Think broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas, all lightly tossed in a savory soy sauce. That's the end of day 2. Remember to keep your meals balanced and nutritious. Now let's dive into the diet plan for day 3. Kickstart your morning with a Greek yogurt parfait. Layer it with crunchy granola and a mix of your favorite berries. This meal is not just delicious, but also packed with protein and antioxidants. For your mid-morning snack, try some refreshing cucumber and cherry tomatoes with a squeeze of lemon. This snack is light, hydrating, and full of vitamins. Lunch is all about comfort with a bowl of warm lentil soup. Pair it with a side salad and a whole grain roll for added fiber and nutrients. Your afternoon snack on day 3 is a small portion of mixed nuts and dried fruits, providing you with a quick energy boost and necessary healthy fats. Finally, for dinner, indulge in some grilled shrimp or a plant-based alternative. Pair this with roasted asparagus and quinoa for a balanced, nutrient-rich meal. And that's a wrap for day 3. Keep up the good work! Now that we've covered the diet plan for 3 days, let's look at some general tips for maintaining a healthy diet. First up is portion control. It's crucial to be mindful of the amount of food you're eating. Consider using smaller plates to help visually control your portions. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. Next, hydration. Water is your best friend here. Make sure to drink plenty of it throughout the day. Sometimes what we mistake for hunger is actually thirst. So before reaching for a snack, try drinking a glass of water first. Then let's talk about sugary and processed foods. Try to minimize, or better yet, eliminate sugary drinks, candies, and highly processed foods like fast food, chips, and sugary cereals. These foods often contain empty calories and can lead to weight gain. Cooking at home is another effective strategy. By preparing your own meals, you gain more control over the ingredients and portion sizes. It's a great way to keep track of what's going into your body. Snacking wisely is also essential. Choose healthy snacks like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and yogurt over high-calorie, low-nutrient options. These can satisfy your hunger and provide essential nutrients without the extra calories. Maintaining a balanced diet is key. Ensure your meals include a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. And don't forget to incorporate plenty of vegetables and fruits. Also, try to eat at regular intervals throughout the day. This can help prevent extreme hunger that often leads to overeating. Mindful eating is another important tip. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distracted eating, such as watching TV while eating. This way you can enjoy your meal and recognize when you're satisfied. Lastly, combining your diet plan with regular physical activity can boost your weight loss efforts and improve your overall health. Exercise is a vital part of any healthy lifestyle. Keeping these tips in mind will help you maintain your weight loss diet plan effectively. Before we wrap this up, here's something important to remember. The journey to a healthier you isn't just about following a diet plan for a day, a week, or even a month. It's about making long-term changes to your eating habits, adopting a lifestyle that nourishes and fuels your body optimally. It's about embracing the art of mindful eating, paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and making conscious choices about what you put into your body. It's also about understanding that the journey to weight loss is unique for each person. What works for one might not work for another. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They are equipped with the knowledge and expertise to tailor a diet plan that suits your specific needs and goals. They can provide personalized guidance and support on your journey, helping you navigate through the challenges and celebrate the victories. Moreover, remember that diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular physical activity is another essential component. It not only aids in weight loss, but also improves overall health and well-being. So, combine your diet plan with regular exercise, whether it's walking, cycling, yoga, or any other activity you enjoy. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process and individual results may vary. Focus on making sustainable changes to your lifestyle and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.